Hi there, welcome to the very exciting tortoise of histology. Today I want to talk about the oral cavity. Oral cavity includes the mouth and its structures such as tongue, teeth, and their supporting structures like the periodontium, major and minor salivary glands, and the tonsils. Oral cavity is lined with a stratified squamous epithelium that can be keratinocyte, perkeratinocyte, or non-keratinocyte depending on its specific location. The oral cavity is anatomically divided into two primary regions, including the vestibule and the proper oral cavity. Proper oral cavity. The vestibule is a space located between the lips, cheeks, and teeth. So the proper oral cavity, I'm writing T, is situated behind the teeth. And is bounded superiorly by the hard and soft palates. Hard and soft palates. Then inferiorly by the tongue and floor of the mouth. And posteriorly by the oropharyngeal opening. Oropharyngeal opening. This distinction is crucial for functional implications in processes such as mastication, speech, and swallowing. The layers of keratinized cells are resistant to damage caused by abrasion. The oral mucosa lines the oral cavity and can be categorized based on location into masticatory mucosa such as the gingiva and hard palate. Lining mucosa, which covers the remaining parts of the mouth, pay attention please, except for the posterior part of the tongue. And specialized mucosa, which refers to dorsal surface of the tongue. And masticatory mucosa has a strictly keratinized or parakeratinized stratified squamous epithelium, while lining mucosa consists of non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. And specialized mucosa contains a lingual papillae. In this section, I want to explain the difference between parakeratinized and keratinized cells. Parakeratinized epithelium is similar to keratinized, except that the surface cells of parakeratinized do not lose their nuclei. The cytoplasm of parakeratinized are not heavily stained by eosin. The nuclei of parakeratinized epithelium are pycnotic. What is the pycnotic? It means extremely dense. Now let's explain the roof of the oral cavity. This area is the hard palate, which contains bone. It is divided into right and left halves by a raphe. In the anterior part, in the submucosal fat area, the hard palate contains adipose tissue, while in the posterior part, there are numerous mucous glands in the glandular area. The raphe and gingiva don't have a submucosa. Instead, the mucus is directly connected to the bone. This is also the soft palate, which contains the muscle instead of the bone. Its glands are continuous with those of the submucosal glands of the hard palate. In the last section, I'll explain the lips to you. Both lips have three distinct types of covering surface. The inner mucosal surface has a mucous membrane with thick layer of keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. It is tissue and a large number of salivary glands. The red vermilion area on each lip is covered with thin layer of keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. It is located at the between border the oral mucosa and the skin. This area lacks sweat and salivary glands. It is kept moist by saliva from the tongue, like this. The outer surface has a thin skin with many sweat glands, hair follicles, and sebaceous glands. As you can see in the diagram, this protrusion is the hair follicle, which helps us identify that this is the outer part of the lip. I hope this session is helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you wanna be noticed about new uploads, activate the bell icon as well. Ta-ta!